What if I told you that no emotion lasts more than 90 seconds unless you feed it? And that the most powerful thing you can do today is nothing? Not reacting, not running, not escaping, just noticing. Let me show you why that simple shift can rewire your entire emotional life. Emotions feel overwhelming. But here's the truth. Every emotional wave you feel, biochemically, it lasts just 90 seconds. That's it. What makes it last longer is the story you attach to it. According to Dr. Jill Bolt Taylor at Harvard, the feeling is real, but what keeps it alive is your mind hitting replay. Angry? Anxious? Heartbroken? Pause. Feel it. Count 90 seconds. Breathe. Let the wave rise and fall. You're not avoiding the feeling. You're watching it leave. Let's be real. Disappointment doesn't come from what happens. It comes from the gap between what you expected and what occurred. Close that gap, and you reclaim power. This is called cognitive reframing. It's not pretending things are fine. It's choosing a frame that doesn't trap you. You didn't get that job? You're not a failure. You're on a different timeline. Ask, what can I learn here? What skill can I sharpen? Because perspective isn't about denying pain. It's about finding possibility inside it. We all prepare for cuts and bruises. Why not for heartbreak, anxiety, or self-doubt? Build an emotional first aid kit. Not in crisis, but before it hits. Include a mantra that grounds you, a scent that calms you, an action that shifts your energy like jumping jacks, a reminder of past storms you survived. This is your toolkit, curated by you, for you. And when chaos hits, you don't guess, you act. Ever tried to stop thinking about something and ended up thinking about it more? Welcome to the trap of rumination. To break it, don't fight it. Redirect it. Try the 5-3-1 method. Spot 5 things around you. Move to a new space. Focus for 3 minutes on something active. Math, puzzle, movement. Then, do one productive action. Your brain is water. Stop swirling it. Channel it. You think everyone saw that mistake you made. But the truth? Most people didn't even notice. It's called the spotlight effect. We believe a spotlight follows our every move. But everyone else has their own. So that stumble, that awkward moment, you remember. They don't. Liberation comes when you stop performing and start living. When you fail, do you say, "You idiot"? Would you say that to a friend? Of course not. Try third-person self-talk. Instead of "I'm a mess," say, "Your name is struggling, but they'll figure it out." That tiny shift builds emotional distance and gives you back your inner coach. It's not self-help fluff. It's brain science. And it works. You want to improve. Visualization helps, but only when paired with contrast. That's mental contrasting. Step 1, picture your goal. Step 2, picture the obstacles. Step 3, plan around the real ones. If I feel tired after work, I'll still walk for 5 minutes. Hope isn't enough. Strategy gets you there. Some things break under pressure. But some things get stronger. That's anti-fragility. Your mind, your resilience, your courage, they grow through challenge. Practice discomfort. Cold showers. Difficult conversations. Tiny risks. The goal isn't pain. It's capacity. Your setbacks are stress reps. And every rep builds emotional muscle. You will survive this. But also, this is really hard. Hold both truths. This is the Stockdale paradox. Face brutal facts. Keep unshakable faith. Not fake optimism. Not toxic positivity. This is your psychological anchor in the storm. This hurts. But I'm not done. Finally, don't leave it to chance. Build your own resilience OS. Physiological, breath work. Cognitive, reframing plus self-talk. Behavioral, small routines. Social, 3 people you can call. Don't wait for the fire to build the hose. Train now. Live ready. Remember, you are not your emotions. You are the awareness behind them. So build the system that holds you steady. Start with one practice. And keep going. Because resilience isn't just bouncing back. It's rising different. Like this? Hit subscribe, smash the like button, and share it with someone who needs this today. You've got this. See you in the next one.